Welcome to Peri's Biology. How does the information in your DNA become protein? The basic flow of genetic information is known as central dogma of molecular biology.
The central dogma of biology. DNA replicates its genetic code. Then, transcription creates mRNA. Finally, ribosomes translate it into protein. This is the flow of life.
Central dogma states that genetic information generally flows from DNA to RNA, RNA to protein. When the information passes from DNA to DNA, it is called replication. The information passing from DNA to RNA, it is transcription. Information passing from RNA to protein is called translation. Copying the genome takes place in replication, reading the code occurs in transcription, and building the molecule takes place in translation.
DNA replication begins. Helicase unzips the double helix. Polymerase builds the leading strand continuously, while the lagging strand is synthesized in fragments. Two identical molecules result.
DNA makes exact copy of itself. It takes place before the cell division. Ensures daughter cells inherit complete genetic information across generations. The genetic information from DNA to RNA getting copied is called transcription. Information in DNA is copied into messenger RNA, that is mRNA. This process takes place inside the cell's nucleus. Once the information is copied, mRNA carries the genetic message out in the cytoplasm in ribosomes. The transfer of information from RNA to protein is called a translation. It takes place in the cytoplasm at ribosomes. Here, the ribosomes reads the mRNA sequence codon by codon. Functional protein is produced based on the mRNA.
In translation, the cell reads the mRNA strand. Transfer RNA molecules match amino acids to each codon.
Here, protein performs the actual cellular functions. So, the complete pathway would be DNA to DNA replication, DNA to mRNA is transcription, and mRNA to protein is translation. Here, DNA stores the information, RNA carries the message, and protein performs the function based on the information. Practice question. Which process converts genetic information from DNA to RNA? The options are replication, translation, transcription, and mutation. So the correct answer is transcription. Quick revision. DNA stores the information, so it is called master blueprint of the cell. RNA carries the message, so mRNA shuttles code to ribosomes. Proteins perform the function, so these proteins do the actual cellular work. So in one line, DNA to RNA, RNA to protein. This is called central dogma of molecular biology. Thank you. If you find this is helpful to you, kindly subscribe my channel.